Hi guys, I hope you are fine. Today I will explain to you the second lesson in our curriculum, which is magnet and magnetism. Okay, the first point, what is the magnet? What is the magnet? Magnet is a piece of rock or a piece of metal. Okay, so the magnet may be made of rock, may be made of metal. Okay, what is the characteristics of this magnet? This magnet have the ability to that can pull or attract a certain type of metals or a certain kind of metals, not all metals. You must memorize it. Important point. Not all metals attract to the magnet, but magnet can attract a certain type of metal, can pull or attract a certain kind of metal, attracted it toward itself. Okay, so the first point in our lesson, what is the meaning of magnet? Magnet, a piece of rock or a piece of metal that have the ability to attract a certain kind of metal towards itself. Not all metals attracted to the magnet. Okay, the second part in the lesson is magnetism. What is the meaning of magnetism? Magnetism magnetism is, okay, change the color. I will change the, okay, black, no problem. To be clear for you, okay, magnetism is the force of magnet so the force of the magnet is called magnetism. So you can say that the topic of the lesson is magnets and its force. The force of the magnet is called magnetism. Okay, I hope that you understand this point. Magnets and magnetism. Magnets, piece of rock or a metal that have the ability to pull or attract a certain kind of metal toward itself, and magnetism is the force of magnet. Okay, what are some properties of magnets? As we explained, the term magnets describes any material that attracts iron or object made of iron. Magnet material attracts iron or objects made of iron. So we can say that the material, the materials, okay, materials which attract to the magnet is called magnetic material. It's called what? It's called magnetic material. So, what is the meaning of magnetic material? You can say that magnetic material, it is the material that attracted to the magnet. Very simple, okay? Magnetic material, it is the material that attract to the magnet. For example, like iron attract to the magnet, nickel attract to the magnet, cobalt attract to the magnet, or mixtures of these metals, okay? All of this are names of some metals like iron, nickel, cobalt, okay? You must memorize it. Again, we have material attract to the magnet. This material is called the magnetic material. For example, of this material like iron, nickel, cobalt, and mixtures of these metals, okay? And at the other side, there is material don't attract it to the magnet, right? This material is called non non-magnetic material. So, what is the non-magnetic material? Non-magnetic material, it excellent, bro, excellent. It is the material, good boys, good boys, and girls. It is the material that spelling materials that not attracted to the magnet. So the non-magnetic materials not attracted to the magnet. Like what? Like copper, which is used in making the electric wires, like wool in making clothes, like plastic, and aluminum, and so on. Okay, so we have two kinds of material according to the ability to attract to the magnet. The first kind is magnetic material that attracted to the magnet, like iron, nickel, cobalt, or mixtures of these metals. And the other kind of material, non-magnetic material, and this material not attracted to the magnet, like copper, wool, and plastic. Okay. Okay. When you approach some iron nails or put some iron nails on the table and approach a magnet toward these iron nails. What will happen? Excellent. The iron nails will be attracted to the magnet. Okay? Okay. So, as the magnet near to the magnetic material, its force arises. Its force arises. So we can classify the magnet into strong magnet and weak magnet. I don't understand, mister. Okay. Maybe the distance between and a magnet and iron nails 5 centimeters and another magnet 20 centimeters. When the first one at 5 centimeters attracted the iron nails and the other one 20 centimeters attracted the iron nails, so the second one its force stronger than first one. You got it? So we can classify the magnet according to its force into two types, strong and weak and medium. Okay? Okay. Pay your attention, the last point in the session now, and it's a very important point. We have three forces that can act at a distance. What's the meaning of act at a distance? Means it don't need a case of touching. Okay, it has the ability to affect on the object, on the material without touching. There are three. The first one, the magnetic force, our lesson. Okay, the second one, electrostatic force, and the last one, gravity, that explained in the previous session. Okay, again, this point, we have three forces in nature that can act at a distance without need to contact or touching with the object that affects on it, like magnetic force, electrostatic force, and gravity. Okay, guys, thank you for your watching. See you next session, inshallah. Goodbye.